A 15-year-old Kosciusko County teen pleaded guilty today to helping kill his friend's stepfather 3 years ago when he was just in 6th grade. This is Paul Gingrich's second plea deal in this case. His first conviction and sentence was thrown out after appeal. WSBT's Denise Bone was in court today for Gingrich's new hearing. Denise, he pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit murder.
That's right, Cindy, and he's getting the same sentence as before, 30 years behind bars. But a new Indiana statute, dubbed Paul's Law, that went into effect 6 months ago, is easing the terms of his punishment.
Paul Gingrich has spent the last 3 years since his arrest at just 12 years old in a juvenile corrections facility. Gingrich, now 15, is labeled a model inmate and is studying to get his diploma. Monday, he pleaded guilty to helping kill Phil Danner in 2010. Now, this new deal carries 30 years with credit for time served, but a new statute on the books means Gingrich may avoid doing any hard time.
If he continues to have his rehabilitation advance in the way that it's been, then the court will bring him back when he's 18, review his conduct with the possibility of releasing him on probation, which is what we'll be asking for.
The prosecutor says Gingrich will not be an early release and will be monitored for the entire sentence.
Somehow the state will continue to observe his supervision, his conduct.
Gingrich and 2 other older boys were captured and interrogated the day after the Danner murder. WSBT obtained a copy of the 25-page transcript. In it, Gingrich says Danner's stepson, Colt Lundy, planned the murder so the boys could leave town. He describes sitting in Danner's family room next to Lundy when Danner walked in. The detective asked, "Okay, what did he do then? Or did you? What did you do then?" Gingrich replied, "I thought we were going to leave, but then he, Phil, turned the corner, and then he, Colt, shot him. And then I freaked out and closed my eyes and turned around and shot." Later, the detective questioned, "Did he force you or threaten you to go to the house with him?" Gingrich answered, "I thought he would hurt me if I didn't." And towards the end, the officer asked, "What do you think should happen to you for what happened to Phil? How do you feel today about it, about Phil?" Gingrich answers, "Well, I feel sorry for him." And Gingrich's attorney repeated he is sorry for what he did.
He has been very remorseful since I met him.
And we're told that Gingrich wrote an apology letter to the victim's family, but the Department of Corrections intercepted it, saying he was not supposed to send it because he's not supposed to correspond with them. His attorney is in the process of trying to locate that letter so that she can give it to the Danner family. And Cindy, if she can't find it, she says Gingrich is prepared rather to write another one.
Now, his family, Paul's family,
yes,
and the victim's family, both in court today.
They were both in court today. They didn't speak to one another. They also didn't talk to us. We asked if they wanted to give an interview. No one did, but we did learn through the prosecutor that the Danner family is planning on making a public impact statement at Gingrich's sentencing, which is set for February 3rd. And I also asked him, how is this sitting with them? How is this plea deal and this new statute that's on the books? And he said, well, they realize they have to go along with this, but they also just want to make sure that he is held accountable, despite his age, that he's held accountable for his actions.
All right. Well, I know we'll be there for the sentencing.
Absolutely.
Thanks.